Yeah.
You know, say, Uno, me say. Me say Uno, people. Real Rosa. And we love Uno. Real love. From Real Rosa, aka Jackfruit.
And I lock it back.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Jin.
I'm going with
Listen, what kind of stick that man, you know? I be even stick that.
Stick up a clamp and take up anything.
Oh, the clamp.
Yeah.
Oh, save an extra hand.
Alright, man.
Good guys, everything go on.
Yeah, man.
There I go and hold it.
You see it?
You know, before I'm coming now.
Fight, you know?
Yeah,
Got some football.
as usual. You don't watch it here play from the Xbox.
You know what it's in already?
I have donation for you and a little gift for you as well too, you know. I have a surprise gift for you, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I have a surprise gift for you and things, so.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, man. So we have donation we will give as well first. You see me? So we have $2,000 from the Bell family.
Yeah.
You see me? $2,000 from the Bell family, from the UK, Birmingham.
Yeah. The Bell family.
Yeah.
What if I love and respect, honor, blessings, and give thanks. You see me?
Yeah.
Much love.
Much love.
Yeah.
And you also have, what's that name here? Hamza from New York. Come on, make it double FC over there. The whole fried chicken. You see me? Hamza from New York.
Yeah.
$6,000 from Hamza from New York. Boy, that's a New York twice.
New York, man. It's Amsterdam.
Hamza.
Hamza. Oh, Hamza. Only public respect, blessings, love, and give thanks a lot. You see, I really appreciate it a lot.
Yeah.
Give thanks.
Yeah. And as well,
Isn't it?
yeah. And as well, may I say, let's put it on here. So we have a gift.
Just
Our pastor from the UK. Yeah. Took off the name so she did not see the name. The name was called her Tall Girl from the UK. For this parcel. She said, I'm never tell you what in it. To end time, what me. Take all of them out of it.
just
You see me? So you call upon the name. Well, I'm see my name on the box so key, you know. Yeah. Yeah. It's a key upon it. Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah, pass here for Jit. Well, you see how keen as well too. The Tall Girl from the UK is the best. Thank you very much for this. I see my name, so I know so I can spell. It's a Kino. You see me? I see another Kino as well too. The Tall Girl, many respect, many thanks. You know the thing, I really appreciate this.
I respect man, for real.
What?
I Liverpool
I'm
kid,
Liverpool.
I'm
Ginger, I could never,
Liverpool.
I can't keen up, I'm Liverpool.
Yeah, I'm Liverpool. Yeah, what you do?
It's a
You can't hold
Liverpool.
him now, you know?
Yeah, hold him, you know.
You can't. Give me a now,
What that? What me, let me see what I got.
What you know now? What you know now?
Well, I'll give them one by one.
One by one. What you
You
know?
fly them. You fly that one there.
There, one. What you know?
It's from Tall
No,
Girl
you
from
can't
the
talk to
UK.
him now.
Liverpool.
Yeah, thank you.
Liverpool Kiri. Georgia. Tall Girl from the UK. Yeah, I want to see that now. So that's a Kiri and Jin Jin from Tall Girl again. What is Liverpool? And Jin.
What's the best side in the world, man?
Yeah, of course, them see the world scene. Tall Girl. Don't tell me say that Liverpool again.
Yeah,
That.
man, Liverpool kid, man.
Wrong team.
Liverpool, man.
Liverpool again. What
This team, man.
What a bunker!
This
That
team,
would
man.
get when you get me.
Liverpool, put it up.
Anfield, see that?
Yeah,
man.
the tall girl. Jin, tall girl from the UK.
Alright, thank you from the UK, only for love and respect. I really appreciate it.
Yeah,
And I give thanks a lot.
yeah,
Only for love and respect and manners. Blessings.
yeah. There's more to come, you know. I wish one that Marvin.
The band, man.
Wristband. A Liverpool.
Yeah, man, rich band, man.
Tall girl, Liverpool, they support.
Yeah, man, Liverpool support. Must, man. Must, man. Liverpool on my side. One side.
Yes, man.
Never walk alone. Never walk
If you
alone.
try me alone now, man,
yeah.
today I said, I'm not talking.
Yeah, man. Okay, man.
So we have more again for Jin.
Yeah, man.
We have the parcel loaded Liverpool. They couldn't make
I
mistake
feel
and buy
Liverpool,
Man U.
man.
Tall girl, they couldn't make mistake and buy Man U.
But man, you never walk alone. So you
Jin,
talk
watch
about
out
man,
now.
you.
Jin, Man U.
No, never walk
Jin.
alone.
Oh, the G there, mug.
Never walk alone.
Oh, we don't want to make sure the swirl so I go on. You know what I mean? Help you work with that Marvin.
Yeah, make out with my bag. And then take that ceiling and never walk alone like a one.
Walk alone.
Yeah, because one, you get it, you know. Right way, you know. You have a scissors?
Liverpool again. Liverpool. Where you say teacup?
Never walk
It's a
alone.
teacup.
See them, boy.
Man, get
Never walk
everything Liverpool. Yeah, man, and Liverpool
Never
teacup.
walk
Let me
alone.
see them. Let's see Liverpool FC.
Never walk
See there?
alone.
And that, you know.
Right then.
Yeah, you see.
Alright, we're not champion. We're not too fight, you know.
Right. Must have we win the cup in a seat there.
Yeah. I want to take one next one, yeah.
The next one,
Oh, this a Kino. It's a Kino mug. I could never leave. Me I go work with this in a second. So get to this.
Yeah,
This can be a Liverpool cup.
Yeah.
Because I watch the program and most of them say, man, you.
yeah.
You see me? Yeah, me still get to this.
Everything I Liverpool. If I Liverpool crowd,
Yeah, no, man, this a Liverpool.
Sit down.
See, this is what I've been waiting for. Ding, 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 ding.
Ding, 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 ding.
Winter. Scarf.
Yes, sir.
That's a Liverpool scarf.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a Liverpool scarf. Up and running. Come in, boy. Yeah. Chelsea. I be a Liverpool thing I give away in here. No?
No, so I'm not get a Chelsea team. I want to go on.
Yeah.
John, I want to go on. I'm not get a Chelsea team.
A Liverpool. I be a Liverpool.
John, no more. I'm not get no Chelsea team. Be a Liverpool team. I'm not get a Jenna. Isn't it?
They could make a mistake and give one a Man U. You know, accept it, you know.
No, but you know that girl that.
They say Liverpool.
Turn it on by my shoe.
Alright then, champion. Let's know. That girl from the UK. What? And there's more for Jin. Jin. Say it again. Number one fan's bedroom, you know. So she's a number one fan of you, Jin. She's a number one fan. So you know, so that they got it right by your door.
Yeah, man.
Turn on the camera. See there? Hold it up. Number one fan. So you know, she's a Liverpool.
Liverpool, best side in the world.
Yeah, man. Chelsea gears, you know, come here, Chelsea, man.
Hey, no worry, man, you're Chelsea owner.
Good them, Jin.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
Chelsea, Arsenal want to go for this. Arsenal.
Yeah,
Big Joe.
The team one after, so like Liverpool, the team one after.
yeah. Proper. So Jane, I heard that Marvin, what me they see me there?
Yeah.
Because I know say this.
Liverpool is
Most Man U are those keen alone. Can't Liverpool. She not make them mistake there. She not make them mistake there.
Man, you sit and come up there. Man, you sit and come up there.
A problem in here. A problem in here.
Man, you.
A problem in here. You see, we are celebrating here. We are celebrating. What me talk to Marvin? What me talk more? I lift my little trophy in here. I lift the trophy in here.
Yo, all day, Ginger.
I lift the trophy
Are we a
in here.
champion?
Yo, no worry yourself. We are rival for years in the Jinjin.
3 years straight.
Listen, now we live the most trophy in England.
Liverpool and Man United, I talk about.
See,
History, man. See that?
history.
I feel him thing, you know.
Yeah, history.
But 3 years straight, we are give them Liverpool.
Yeah.
Never walk alone.
See there, wait there. We have to
Hear
see
that?
this. See there?
Yeah.
Tall girl from the UK.
Whoa.
In a little trophy, see it there.
Whoa!
Mom, Manu. Whoa, Liverpool.
Whoa!
No. Champion. Never walk alone.
Alright, them a champion. This is what I say, we are champion. See there? You see me?
Yeah, come on.
Alright, see
3
there?
years straight.
Champion for years.
Never walk
A
alone.
cup of tea, mate. Cheers, man. A cup of tea. Thanks a lot.
Chelsea, man!
Alright, cheers to there.
Full blue.
Let me see what I go another box to them, Marvin. Let me see what I go another box. A tall girl from the UK. Only for respect.
Kill him on the one leg.
Yeah,
Cha-cha.
he's the best. Manu,
A man who
Man,
again,
you
man.
come.
Manu come again. Whoa. 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 Oh, Liverpool Manu rival for years. Oh, we are going to line.
Never walk alone.
Whoa, see there? Manu, Lem. A Manu man, see there? Lem is a Manu man. Manu Lem bring man, I can bring Manu, a Manu will bring him now.
Man, you me carry. My
And I
side.
got a vest.
Who can talk about this, huh?
Yeah, it's an handkerchief, sorry.
Handkerchief.
This is an handkerchief. Yeah, so we got Jinjin. So you know we got big up tall girl from the UK. Only blessings. Tall girl from the UK.
More
Yeah.
blessing.
More
One thing.
blessings.
One love.
Yeah, only for respect for the
Anyway, I want to
gifts.
put for this,
I
man.
understand. Only for blessings. Can't thank you enough. Because I know the work we see we have put in this in this shop. Only for respect.
Yeah,
Easy man, you see there?
Listen, Dan.
She's out here there for years.
walk alone. Never walk alone.
Glory, glory, you
Now we are here when we come the next
See there,
time.
man, you
Never walk alone.
Alright. Glory, glory, United will say, you know the thing go. Chelsea. Whoa.
Whoa, Chelsea, man, yeah?
Chelsea, see them have them colour blue already.
My number 10.
Dream team.
Mr.
innit?
Polovic in the back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, we just put the 10, we put my name, you know?
Alright
Come
then.
on.
Dream team.
Wow, there.
So the original team are the dream team.
Dream team, one
You see
team.
me and say one team. Jinjin, original team.
No,
You
like
not
my,
getting number.
my jersey now, Salah in the back here.
Yeah. So lift up your next jersey now. See jersey there.
See where it flip
Yeah,
up.
what's it?
I told my Rabbi over boy stone, you know?
Yeah, see there. The next jersey there.
We have to play football, yeah, come.
Yeah. Tomorrow, boys down we are going.
I play on the field.
Forward, me, I play.
Wow, what am I playing? You know?
Yes, right, man. Yes, right.
Del Piero man, what you say man?
No, I did right back you put down, man. Right, man.
Yeah man, Del Piero a striker man.
Well, the forward, man,
goal, them.
I talk about tomorrow leave, we don't-
Yeah man, forward man I go.
Me, I
Come
give the
on,
goal,
we'll
them,
eat food, you know?
Me, on the wing, I give them goal.
Oh, see boom, say boom, you know, Rasta Messi a find him, you know, true ball.
We are talking about defending midfield, man.
Alright
Clean up, you know?
then. Yeah, a lock shop.
Yeah, man, Jonah Rock, watch him more upon the man, same time, yeah, same thing.
Yeah. Rasta Messi. Now we have Rasta Messi.
Yeah, man.
Take the man from the left flank.
Kill them tomorrow. Yeah,
Alright then, they play against the young lads then. They'll show them tomorrow.
Yeah, man, once again, to be honest, all for blessings and the tall girl, all for blessings and respect and honor every time, you see?
Yeah, every
Give
time.
thanks a lot, you see? Yeah.
Eh?
start telling you.
Raga.
Money forward now, I'm going to tell you.
That?
Yeah,
One of the boss.
Raga.
Yeah, man.
Raga roots.
Me and herbs, yeah.
How can herbs that?
Rabba, man, what can I hear
I
this?
dandelion that in a fire.
Dandelion.
sit over there, so, in a pot. The powder is in
Yes, when you put it with the guango. Yes, sir. Yes, the guango ever lies in a fire, man. And the guango, I will check it out, he will check it out for the scientific fire. I'm sure Mr. Raga, that one you have to art the one along, you know. That's you never know, so you walk not with me eye again.
So that good for the art, you want to know?
That's why they put them eat it, so.
Smart.
Yeah, they know it,
Yeah, know it.
so we have to learn from them.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so when the youth guy go test it and thing, I say, rather, you know, easy, you know, where you find them herbs, yeah. I say, animal, we see them in the youth. I mean, I look like the animal, you know. You can't do no better fire, man. What do you do? The animal not going to shop go buy nothing.
No, for real. Man, you have what the ground provide.
Talk to me on you.
Yeah.
So what we feel live like?
Yeah, I believe like them.
Yeah, cause the only thing can't talk, you know.
We got body stiff now.
Body stiff now.
Otherwise, we got wild one.
Wild cocoa.
Wild cocoa.
Yeah.
One cocoa.
Different name, you know.
Every parish you get is a different name.
You see?
Everybody should get from a different name.
Yeah, everybody have them
Some
name.
got Clarence, I'm getting some got Clarence.
Them will call it a different name. You don't have to tell if you know, but every parish you me enter,
Different
you
name.
look herbs, same herbs when me have when me see them call it a different name. Yes,
Everything different.
yeah.
Yeah, Raga, come
What if
tell.
I'm a tree? What if I'm a tree?
I'll probably go to like that about and going up.
Yeah, man, come them all go, everyone them go and don't pass.
Yeah, man, so anyway we see
Yeah,
them.
man.
just-
We used to think of Gongo peas there,
Yeah,
but then I
that's
Gongo
what
peas.
See them, see that?
Yeah.
She need
Precious.
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 Them there.
I like that.
Alright, this grind on.
Yeah, so me tell you, say, in the week, we fix up a package and make you get.
Yeah.
That are important. This is
Yeah,
very,
I masterpiece.
very important.
It's a master.
Any man
Yeah, man, both man and woman, man, that I master.
Just like coffee door.
Yeah.
Just
And they
like
done this in a fire.
done.
Ah.
Enter your sick.
Lion, man.
I hear that.
Yeah, man. Clean her where she wants
All her lungs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tear it up. Yeah, man,
Yeah.
tear it up. Check it out. Just check it out still. Man. Go on the side, Lord.
Yeah.
Let's go
Wait
back.
name again so them can know.
Dandelion.
Dandelion.
You know, it have a scientific name we have to check out.
Okay.
It have a scientific
Which one are you
name.
looking
Within
at?
Dandelion, it have
Yeah.
a scientific name we have to check out. But we don't have the name
I know
now.
sure no time with herbs and tonic I deal with fire. I said one have to drink the roots in the fire.
Yes, sir.
So I think I deal with sell you alone, I sell the public alone, so want to me where I live. Eh? So you want me, where you take the milk road?
Yeah, man.
I just show the youth them round and them come with them drink or that them can buy me go and enjoy them drink and when I drink them drink, we still to attack our roots tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, still to attack our roots tonight.
Yeah, man, I really think, man, some used to do it to the road.
You see me? So me not let the roots fire.
Them start make Baba and
Fire man is a dead man, you know. Yeah man, I can tell you.
Nigga, start making them roads.
A roots not be there, you know, fire man.
Yeah. So which one good for art?
Yeah, because I'm
Which one good for the art?
Yeah.
We not have it in truth right that's all.
Oh, you know, right, that's right.
No, that's why I have the machine to go in there.
Okay.
But I want it name search me
Oh,
on.
search me art.
You're supposed to know.
Yeah, man. You know what I want there.
Yeah.
Search me art.
Yeah.
So you have to go reload upon that one there.
Yeah, man.
now, yes,
Full
yes,
of
all
roads.
that.
When I see the roads, so we can follow there.
Because people contact me, you know, while I'm watching video and them see it, you know, and them see the rules them and see the herbs them, them and say, yo, we need to get contact to them. And
Yeah, man.
straight away.
That's it there for you, fire.
Yeah,
That's it there for you.
So,
Tell them why you them come around. You want to eat a thing? I don't want to straighten your thing. Just go buy a smartphone and look link out there. Right there, there for that purpose.
Yeah, true.
Now I time for it, you know. Now I time for herbs and spice, you know, fire man.
Yeah.
always put spice back like that. And I use powder seasoning of fire.
Oh, you know it's powder seasoning.
No?
Yeah, man, walk on it.
I use powder seasoning.
So that's the spice buckle.
Yeah, man, I'm going to put spice back if you come around. It's not just my personal use, but me I'm going to share it to the world.
Smell good, it smell like all purpose. But yo, chef, so the man that does real herb spice there, it smell like all purpose, smell it.
Yeah, it smells like all purpose too.
Smell like all purpose.
Well, these are some of the wild herbs with seasoning them. Like with scallion and with onion and, you know.
They put up our fish.
Eh?
Fish put up our
Fish?
No man, I like seasoning man, like fish season, everything in one that mix up like.
Yeah, no,
They come like it.
Sip up like getting the sip and the screw salad.
And them herbs.
So with coconut milk and them spice, now, what do you think of? Talk to me now, because you're cooking up.
Yeah, man. You know what's in the own spice, man, them thing them.
Yeah, man, that's what. So we're going
Scallion, this scallion, I put it to dry fire.
Okay.
I put them to dry fire. All of them things that in the market, cauliflower, broccoli, celery. Then come now, girl, because you're a market man now. Kale. The water crush. All of them bush there, I put them to dry fire, wash them off, clean them up, put them to dry. And then blend them in one unit. I hit that.
That's why it smells like a all-purpose season.
Oh, blend up them things.
Yeah, grind it all.
I don't think to all make all powder.
Yeah.
Little machine there.
Right now, that big kg now bring in. I'm bringing a 10 kg and I'm bringing a bag of chicken.
You know?
Yes, sir. What's the one you want to do?
No,
Not alone.
this alone there, I'm not a bird, man. I'm a machine. I work for a provide. Even though
Wash our children.
You don't know, I got more than 2 more of them roots there, you know. Come tell us something else about a show for the roots them. You see me? The tough stuff. Yeah, the buff stuff.
it's a one.
Yeah, so I have a forward for one more of this. You see me? And the raga roots. Because them are the same thing, the big one them though.
Yeah.
So I go and get the small ones. Because
I
them.
one so say, you live on long grown so there.
Which one?
Seed grown so.
The guango.
Yeah, seed grown so.
But if you live on lungs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Live on lungs. So anybody who have live on lungs problem. Guango roots. Sans
The limbs in a fire. And the soul I end up in the crown I have to put that. And for the crown I end up in the I don't sure you get the two here. Upside down around there. And you know why I deal with.
yes, raga.
More time I deal with that, I know
Beer roots.
Beer roots, I'm hungry. I'm not going to ganja pipe. I'm not going to say, yo, I drink my roots today and the rest of them want to eat food. Can't just have to keep beer roots like that. Yes, sir.
You see I live like the animals.
Yeah. We're taking some of my food and balance back the thing, because so the thing goes. See?
Rosa
Roots Factory.
Roots Factory.
Roots Factory, yeah.
That's where them go to.
Bless up yourself, Diego. You don't know. Love life.
Yeah, I said they said him love life music. Dear himself.
Don't go by the studio.
You reckon something? Something new?
No, some dubban, them a dubban. We put on tune and we put on some instrument. You know, say, Uno, me say. Me say Uno, people. Real Rosa, and we love Uno. Real love. From Real Rosa, a.k.a. Jackfruit.
And I lock it back. Tell it.
Lock it back.
And I lock it back.
No, pull it back.
No, I pull it back. Raga. Only for respect, you know.
And we work with her, man.
Yeah, man.
Set her up nice, man.
Yeah.
I fix her up.
Yeah, man. Give thanks to the herbs, you know. Give thanks to the roots. As I said, I come keep and support you and bring them more support as well because people don't watch the program like what them are saying. I'm going to reach out, I don't know what else.
My time now for work, they go and look in up and check it. No people have a dropping up, you know. The people are start dropping. It's in the wild, you know, but not for we don't know about the wild.
Yeah.
You see me, Babylon beat down the ancestors from that. Not for we get cut off from the root.
Yeah.
But one of them we still know the journey.
True.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
But I was still there with the journey. All of you like we were a Congo man yesterday, sir. So we go in the hills. You don't think the hills man them ask it, as Congo. Oh, we survived, yes, sir. Fire! Oh, this.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.